Welcome back, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to add a neon text effect on Canva. So the first step is to add the text, then ensure that it's been selected, and from here go to the option labeled effects at the top, and then in the options you're given, select neon. From here you have a slider that you can use to increase or decrease the intensity of your neon effect. Then once you've selected your intensity, just click on an empty space and you'll see the change has been applied. To make it look more neon, then you can also change the font style. To do this, again, select the text, go to your font styles section, and in the search bar, type in neon. You'll be given a list of all neon fonts that you can choose from. So then scroll through the list and select the one that suits your preferences. Then you can now click on an empty space and the change will be applied. So now you can scale up or scale down depending on your preferences, and you can also move it around on your screen. We can also take the time to change the font color of the text. So again, ensure that the text has been selected, go to your color, and then choose the color that suits your needs. So you can use a pink or even a light green, it's all up to you. So as you can see, my text has been changed to neon. Alternatively, you can use a pre-made neon text style from Canva. And to do this, on the sidebar, go to text. And from here, you have all these text styles that you can use from that have been pre-created by Canva. So scroll through the options until you find one that has a neon, that looks neon, then click on it to add it to your canvas. Then from here, you can now customize it. So you can change exactly what the sign says. So you can customize it. You can also change the color of the text. So you can have it in a yellow or even a red. Then you can also choose to change the font. So as you can see right now, it's labeled neon. So you can choose to match it with the other font we've just chosen, so which would be this one. Then from here, you can scale up or scale down. It's all up to you. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.